I'm here because I'm against fracking in Romania, in all over the world, para fractura hydraulica. The first time I have visited this lovely region, it was in 2013, and in Vaslui I have seen in one wall the slogan "Stop Chevron." In this moment I knew nothing about fracking, but when I have returned to my country I have do a research, and I felt like I have opened the Pandora box. The companies, the multinational companies, they doing this for profit, but it's not only for gas deschist or gold of Russia Montana. They have a strategy who is destruction of natural resources, and especially water, who is the base of life. The solution to all this problem is not continue growing the economy, but degrowing. It means not go back to the age of stone, but to have a more logical use of natural resources. And we have, philosophically speaking, to distinguish needs from desires. Capitalism is creating desires. We have to study and to talk each other about our needs, not the needs of a hyper ego, but the needs of we.